Welcome to this elegant custom home situated in a desirable westside location. This former Street of Dreams home has easy access to downtown Portland and the Pearl District, while enjoying the privacy of living in this gated Canyon Creek community. The dramatic grand entry showcases the high ceilings, exceptional millwork, and open, natural light-infused interior. Framed with large windows, you'll find open, airy living spaces, perfect for gracious entertaining or easy family living. The gourmet kitchen is ready for the chef with fine finishes, stainless appliances, extensive storage space, a large cooktop island, and double ovens. French doors open to the main floor office with built-ins. The sweeping staircase takes you to the luxurious master suite, where you can relax by the fireplace. Enjoy peace and tranquility in your master bath with a dual sink vanity, tile shower, and a jacuzzi tub. And you'll find 2 large walk-in closets. A second office space is filled with natural light and opens to a private balcony. This home of more than 4,200 square feet includes 4 bedrooms and 2.5 baths. It's also wired for sound throughout. This flex space could be a home gym, bedroom, or game room. On the lower level, you'll find a sauna and wine storage. It's truly a car collector's dream with 2 garages for up to 7 cars, plus additional storage. Professionally landscaped, it's a low-maintenance yard with multiple entertaining spaces in a serene, quiet setting. You'll also enjoy excellent schools and close proximity to Nike, Intel, downtown, and the freeway. An exceptional opportunity on Southwest Sheridan Street in Portland. This is just a preview. There's so much more for you to see. To schedule your own personal tour, please contact Steve Nassar at 503-805-5582 or email steve@nassarteam.com. For financing options, please contact Carrie Benshoff with Director's Mortgage.